You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. In Europe and Asia, against the background of political crises, there is a noticeable deterioration in the economic situation. In France, a decisive vote of no confidence is being prepared, which could overthrow the coalition government, and in South Korea, a failed decree on the imposition of martial law initiated by President Yoon Suk Yeol caused chaos. The French economy continues to be under pressure due to the uncertainty caused by the early elections announced by President Emmanuel Macron. Investors are actively withdrawing funds from French assets. At the same time, the euro has fallen by 4% since June. Meanwhile, South Korea found itself in the epicenter of a political crisis after the failure of an attempt to impose martial law by the country's president. Opposition parties have announced their intention to put the impeachment bill to a vote, which must be considered within 72 hours. This crisis has exacerbated the country's economic problems. Despite the stabilization of the national currency, analysts suspect the intervention of the authorities. The country's finance ministry has expressed its willingness to provide unlimited liquidity to stabilize markets. From the news affecting the markets on Wednesday, it is worth highlighting the data on the Business Activity Index for November for France, Germany, the United Kingdom, and the Eurozone, which will help assess the current state of the region's economy. Also, the focus will be on data on the labor market and business activity indices in the United States. Special attention will be focused on the speech of the head of the Federal Reserve System of the United States, Jerome Powell, which is expected on Wednesday afternoon. And now to the crypto market. Bitcoin holds positions, remaining in the range. Against this background, some analysts have recorded the receipt of Bitcoins on cryptocurrency exchanges from large holders. Sometimes such actions precede asset sales, but you should not make trading decisions based on this information alone. At the moment, the market remains stable, and in order to make decisions about trades, it is necessary to evaluate the actions of traders and investors, including after the publication of economic data and a speech by Fed Chairman Jerome Powell in the United States on Wednesday. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.